What's going on, guys? So if you're watching this video, you are likely watching because you have a new Outback and you want to put an exhaust on it. Well, today we are down at EFI Performance in Bethel, Connecticut. They're going to help us out by getting this new AWE 0FG exhaust, which AWE has spent a ton of time working on. This has been a couple-year project with them, and they have it finally here. We're going to install one of the first ones on a customer's car that they've been so gracious enough to let us use. We're going to walk you through some quick features of the system. We're going to kind of try to avoid the guys from EFI, not interrupt them too much while they work and get this on for the customer, so we can get out on the road, give it a shot, hear how it sounds. All right, so we have the 0FG system laid out here on the bench. The guys at EFI are going to work getting the original system off. A couple quick things. We're not going to bore you with all the specs of the system, but there are some notable ones to kind of show AWE's focus on supporting the overland market, right? So the 0FG system is designed to go off-road. That's the simplest way I can put it. There's no tips on this system that improves clearance, but AWE didn't stop there. They didn't just end cap the pipe with a raw cut. They put that nice bash guard on the end here. Moving on, they really made sure that the system doesn't move when it's on the car. Obviously, that's the design, right? If you're going off-road, you're going up over rocks, uneven terrain, you don't want to have that system move. So these really cool lock collars tighten up on the exhaust hangers here, and that prevents the system from moving. AWE system is a slip fit, but again, this system is designed for this Outback. It is tuned from AWE's professionals to have the best sound. AWE touts it is loud when you need it to be, it is quiet when you need it to be. And that is extremely important. As we said earlier, anyone who has installed an Axleback on one of these cars, or even some of the NA model, later model Imprezas and such, realizes at low RPMs, cruising around town, you can get that drone. And that's not ideal. So we're really excited to get this back to the customer and get his opinion on how this does.
Bit of lube on the actual hangers to help install the new mufflers. It also helps you use it when after you're moving the old system.
So there are two ways to go about installing your new exhaust kit from AWE. If you're the do-it-yourselfer, you can take the easy way, which is to scan the supplied QR code, and AWE is nice enough to provide a detailed instruction guide on how to do this. On the contrary, you can do it the hard way, as they say, which is not scanning the QR code, ignoring the fitment guarantee, and roll the dice if you are of the 98%. Amazingly, I'm of the 2% that utilizes a premier partner like EFI Performance to make sure the install is 100% correct. So either way, if you want the best fitment, use the guide or come to a shop.
Get this about 90% of the way tight, so you have extra adjustment when you're fitting the tailpipes. Mid-pipe installation, this guy should go like that, yep. So in this particular clamp orientation, we're going to run it so the nut is facing down towards the driver's side of the car. We're going to install it on this side, and the hanger side of the Y-pipe. Nice and neat. Push it up. Install into the hanger. Slides right in. There we go. So we have this. Yeah, this length there would slide the pipe all the way into this point. So we actually mark about 2 inches on this side, so you know exactly how far the pipe goes inside before you clamp it down. Temporary for now, so we get it fitted. Passenger side. second hanger. Just falls right into place. Slightly twist it on so she stops. Swing it up position. Slide her hangers on. So the extra lube on the hanger helps a lot.
We're back here. We made it up from Bethel back to Subimods here, and the customer's very happy with it. Reports almost no drone. It sounds exactly the way that AWE promoted it. You hear it when you want to, you don't when you don't want to. And that's exactly what we expected from this system, and we're glad that it delivered that. So I'm gonna stop talking now. The guys are gonna take it. We're gonna try to get that thing off-road a little bit and you know, get some dirt on it if we can, and try to highlight some of the biggest features of that system and its overland design. So again, thank you all for watching. This system is available. We have these in stock. This is gonna be a big direction we follow this year, so there's definitely more to come. Thank you all again. Like, comment, follow, subscribe. A big thank you to our partner EFI. EFI Performance in Bethel. They were kind enough, as you saw, to install the system on behalf of us for our customer here, and they were great. They were an awesome partner in this one, so thank you again to them.